welcome to today's video. Today is some cleaning filmed over 2 days and we are just starting off in the bedroom, changing the bed sheets. These pink ones are definitely not suitable for the summer, it's far too hot. They're like fleecy teddy bedding. This was just not a good idea of mine, so we're just putting on the white ones that are a bit like cotton, but probably not because they're from B&M and they cost me like £10, so they're probably not real cotton, it's probably just plastic. But anyway, we're putting the white bed sheets on. Side note, whilst I was changing the bed sheets, this mattress is a double mattress and the bed frame is a king frame. But again, I need to buy a new mattress. However, they are, not a cheap investment, and I have a few holidays booked that I need to pay for, so that's on the back burner for now. Moving on to the bathroom, the upstairs bathroom, we are just going to give it a spritz with the Sephora bathroom cleaner. This needed doing as the sink was just a bit of a mess. It had, just like dirty watermarks everywhere. Also, thank you so much to everybody who commented on my last video. I got some really sweet messages and it was just nice to see that people do enjoy watching my videos, even though they might be, all over the shop, but that's just the way life is. Cooper went out with a dog walker on the morning of this day and his bed is now covered in mud, and he decided to take my socks and he likes to untangle them, so that's what he's doing here. I just thought it was pretty cute. Moving on to the kitchen, this is just kind of like an evening situation. I am just going to wipe everything down with this new flash spray. However, it says it's like a new scent, limited edition. This is definitely a recycled old Christmas scent because it smells so similar to like the apple one that they had, or like apple and cinnamon. I don't know, it definitely smells very similar to another flash spray that I've used before. give a quick vacuum with the shark and then mop with the flash, what's this called? I have no idea what it's called. Flash speeding mop, something like that. And the wipes, although I do have to wet the wipes continuously in the tap so that it gets to the whole floor. And I've noticed that these wipes make the floor very slippery for Cooper, so I'm just going to use them up, and then I probably won't buy this particular scent again because the original ones don't make it as slippy. The downstairs loo, I'm literally just gonna clean the toilet and the sink and put one of the I don't know what these are called, like toilet cleaner things that sits in the toilet. Put one of these in and then mop the way out. To finish off the evening, I have a cup of peppermint tea and I'm just going to watch Love Island as it has started. If anybody watches Love Island, what are your thoughts so far? Happy? Come on then. This way. Come on. Come on. Let's go. He's a happy boy. He needs a groom and a big bum shave is what he needs. So I'm just putting the washing away. I need some storage organisation. Like this room just needs a lot of storage. I would like a wardrobe like the IKEA packs, like built-in ones, but they're now nearly £1,000. They used to be like £200 and now it's like nearly £1,000 for the pack system, which is mental. So I'm trying to find stuff off Facebook Marketplace and then I'll build it myself because I'm not paying £1,000 for chipboard. I'm sorry, it's just not something that I think is worth it. Finish off today's video, we're just spritzing the living room. I'm literally just going to dust, hoover and then use this flash mop again. I am hoping to get new sofas by the end of the year, but again everything is just, you know, expensive, so that's why they're covered in blankets, because they're blue and they show their fur really badly, and no matter how many times I hoover them they just always are going to show fur. And then then I came into contact with a spider after I'd hoovered, which honestly tried not to panic, and it was ginormous for me. I am petrified of any bugs. So I picked it up with some Tupperware and took it outside. That is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.